Hey, Kevin here. Listen, I want to show you a really quick way to transition from a major triad to a diminished chord. Real quick and real simple. So if I'm playing a diminished triad, right? And I took and raised the root, which is the A, and I made it a B flat. That's actually a B flat diminished triad. So if I'm playing in the key of D, and I want to go to the 5, which is the A, and I want to play that diminished next, and I want to go to the 6, I can do it. Or if I go from my 1, my D, to a G triad, and I want to move up to my 5, I can play a diminished. Then I go to the 5, sharpen that root, and go to the 6. So that is a real quick and easy way of finding that diminished chord just by sharpening the root. Okay? Hope this helped. See you in the next video.